Hello, good morning. This is Room Service Department. This is Mary Phil speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning. Can I order for my breakfast?
Certainly, ma'am. But before I take your order, do you have your menu? It is located on the table beside your bed. Did you see it?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. May I know your name and room number, please?
My name is Irishman from room 403.
Okay, ma'am. If you're ready to order, may I take your order now?
Can I order one continental breakfast, one regular coffee, and one coffee?
Okay, ma'am. May I suggest to you our orange juice? It is also under in your continental of breakfast. Would you like to add it on your breakfast, ma'am?
No.
Okay, ma'am. May I repeat your order? You ordered one regular coffee and one muffin for your breakfast. Did I get your orders right, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Are you paying cash or charge it to your room?
Just charge it money.
Okay, ma'am. Your order will be served in 15 minutes. Is there anything else that I can do for you, ma'am?
No thanks.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you and have a nice day. Room service. Room service. Room service. Good morning, ma'am. Are you Irish Menace from room number 403?
Yes.
Ma'am, here's your room service order. May I come in?
Yes.
By the way, ma'am, I am Mary Fel Completo, your room service attendant. Should I leave the food on a tray or should I put it on your table?
Put it on my table.
Excuse me, ma'am. Do you want me to open up your curtain to brighten up your room?
No.
By the way, ma'am, here is your breakfast, your regular coffee, and your muffin. Is there anything else that I can do for you, ma'am?
Nothing.
Hey, ma'am, when do you want me to come back to clean up your soil dishes?
After 1 hour.
Okay, ma'am. Hey, ma'am, if you're ready, just call us or dial 111. Enjoy your breakfast and have a nice day.